back to the stage.
Numbers. So what I want is like 5 or 6 numbers between 1 and 57. 27, 27, 13, 9, 13, 7, 9, and 3. Let's get one more. 18. Okay, great. Thank you so much. That was amazing. You can basically call that every single number at some point between 1 and 57. So those numbers pertain to different sound effects on a sound effects app that I have. So what's going to be happening is 3 people are going to be doing their scene. At any given point when I feel like it, I'm going to play a random sound effect. Nothing at all that I've planned, nothing that they know is coming that pertains to one of these numbers that you guys just told me. And they're going to have to justify why that sound effect just happened in the middle of their regular scene. Alright, that's what's going to be happening. It's kind of a pretty silly game. I think they're going to do a great job. Let me get my sound effects improvisers up on stage! Yes, we have Sean, we have Levi, and we have Drew. They're going to be working together in this scene. Take a step forward. Look at this audience. Yes, look how gorgeous they are. Alright, they're going to be doing the scene. What the other thing I need from you guys is an activity. What's an activity all 3 of them can be working on together?
Knitting.
Knitting. I heard knitting. We're having a knitting party, ladies and gentlemen. We'll find out what they're knitting, why they're knitting, how they know each other. They're going to create all of this right before your eyes. And then they're also going to have to make sense of some pretty crazy sound effects throughout their scene. Alright, that's all they're going to get. We support them. Let's give them some love for sound effects.
We're just going to be knitting for Grandma today. We're going to see who wins the competition.
I'm so happy you taught us how to knit, Grandma.
Yeah, it's a very useful skill out there.
Of course, it's a very important part in your life.
I'm knitting the fishing boat.
Sorry, Grandma's a little gassy. You'll understand when you want it. Isn't this so much fun, children? Yes.
It would be a lot better if you did beans yesterday.
You really are just that funny.
I have this drum set behind me, so you guys, so anytime I make a joke, just...
It's all electric drums and it's fine. It's not hooked up to the speakers anymore.
Oh, okay. Somebody farted it out of here.
Silly.
Oh, that's Mom.
I think it's the pile of corn. I think the phone is the pile of corn.
No, I think I hanged up. It's fine.
It could be a practice.
Oh, it's fine. We're knitting with Grandma.
I'm hoping we're allowed to go.
Unlock the door. That is my genie. Genie only listens to Grandma. Genie, I'm Grandma.
Open the door.
Genie will thank you.
Because I made a sweater. Genie, do you want a sweater? And if you get the sweater, will you open the doors for us?
Genie wants moolah.
Sell it for moolah.
Now I said no Pac-Man in Granny's house.
Jackpot app for $9.99 on App Store. Here we go. I think I hit the jackpot here. get real money.
If you get the real money, can you give it to the genie so we'll let us out of here? See, our parents are here.
I gave birth to your mama. Come on, get you here.
Grandma.
I thought you loved Grandma.
Yeah, I love you.
Yeah.
If we say we love you, will you let us out?
Of course not.